Welcome to class today, pre-count students, on this wonderful Wednesday the 13th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let's jump right into today's announcements. First of all, your exam, just so you know, is next Wednesday, 10 to 11:20. I think. Now, check the schedule, make sure I'm right, but I believe that's right. Also, you'll have a test this Friday. We will start the exam on that day, and so make sure you study. I'll give you more information on that tomorrow, okay? But we will start the exam on Friday. Now, you have nothing to turn in. I don't think there are any incompletes. Nope, no incompletes. Um, Today we will complete the fall semester exam review. Please work hard and finish well, okay? Now, tomorrow we're taking notes and we are working on homework. Here are the stats for your test. Your tests are in the folder if you want to get those out. Everyone made an A, so congratulations to you guys. If you want to check my work, each mistake was 2.7 points off. Okay? Now, let's go over your test real quick. You can fast forward the ones that you did not miss. Number one, Kobe and Junmo. You guys missed this one. Now think about it, guys. Please listen carefully as I show you some stuff here, okay? First of all, yes, the initial amount would have been 300 if the problem would have looked like this. If we had one term, and this number here is being multiplied times the base and its exponent, okay? But that's not the case. And by the way, let me show you why the answer would have been 300 if this would have been the problem. To find the initial or the starting amount, that means you put 0 in for t because 0 time has elapsed. Well, 2 times 0 is 0, so you have e to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1, so you have 300 times 1, which is 300, okay? But now take this problem up here. Put 0 in for t because if you're looking for the initial, the starting amount, then you're going to want to put a 0 in for time because 0 time has elapsed. Okay, so 2 times 0 is 0. E to the 0 power is 1. So you have 300 negative 5 times 1. And of course, that's 300 minus 5, which is 295. So there is your initial amount, 295. Okay? No one missed this part here. Okay? So moving on to number 3, expand this completely. Now, let's see. Kobe, you missed it, but Kobe, you just simply forgot to put parentheses around that last part. So, if you don't understand that, then watch me work out the problem, and you'll see in the end what happened. Okay, now, Taryn and Junmo, let me show you what you guys did wrong. Please watch carefully. Okay, you did a really good job. You got down to this part right here. You had natural logarithm of 5 minus, and then we should have natural logarithm of, now watch carefully, please. Watch carefully. This right here. Okay, everyone had that, and that's fine. But really, remember, the cube root of something is the same thing as saying it's to the 1/3 power. So really, you could write this. Okay, got it? Okay. Then next, this 1/3 goes to the entire argument. Alright? So this 1/3 can actually go right here. All right, but hold on 1 second here. Before I do that, let me do this real quick here. And actually, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do that again. So hold on, put the 1/3 here. Okay, now, here's what you have. Okay, look. You now have the natural logarithm of 5. 5x. Sorry, guys, 5x. Okay, minus 1/3 natural logarithm of x squared plus 1. Now this here can be split up. I think all of you did that. Natural no, sorry, I'm trying to talk too fast. Natural logarithm of 5 plus natural logarithm of x, and then bring this next part down right here. Okay, which is fine. But guys, that's as far as you can take it. Now, Kobe, you have to have the parentheses because this entire expression right here was under the cubed root. So the entire expression is raised to the 1/3 power. So when you move it here, you still got to keep the parentheses around x squared plus 1, okay? Now, Junmo, you cannot take this here, and it looks like you multiplied it through. You probably, I'm trying to think if you maybe forgot the parentheses, but you cannot take, excuse me please for a second, Junmo, you cannot take the 1/3 and multiply it through times each of these terms here. That is incorrect, okay? Because think about it, you're taking the logarithm of this entire expression, okay? And then, after you take the logarithm of this entire expression, you're then multiplying it by 1/3. It would be the same thing as this. If you had 1/3 square root of x squared plus 1, you cannot say 1/3 square root of x squared plus 1/3 square root of 1. That's completely wrong. You have to first take the square root of what's under the radical and then multiply it times 1/3. Okay, now Taryn, let's see what you did. Not sure where your 2/3 came from, but let me just say this, Taryn. I hope this makes sense. You have remember, you have this whole expression here to the 1/3 power. Darren, just simply move that to the front like this, and you're finished, okay? That's it, guys. All right? Okay, moving on to number 4. Let's see who missed that one. Taryn, you made one mistake, I believe. Let me try to find your mistake real quick here. Okay, Darren, now listen carefully. I can help you, okay? Now, you did a really good job. Simplifying this here, I'm looking at your work right now. You have long base b of 2 plus logarithm base b of 7, which is good. But look, right here, now be careful, Taryn. You have this. You have minus logarithm base 3 of c plus logarithm base b of b. Now, Taryn, remember, please look at this, okay? Before you had this here, you must have had this. You must have had minus logarithm of 3b like that. And then you took this and you split it up into two logarithms, okay? But when you do that, that's fine. But when you do that, you've got to put parentheses around this because this negative sign here, Taryn, went to this entire expression right here. I mean, the first thing you wrote was this, Taryn. Hope I'm not losing you here. The first thing you wrote was this. Hopefully you wrote logarithm base b of 14 minus logarithm of b of 3b, right? Division sign minus. Then you took this, you split job. Then this here, you took this and you split it up into two logarithms down here, like this, which is good. Okay, but this minus sign goes to this whole logarithm. So if you split this logarithm up into two logarithms, that minus sign goes to both of those. Okay, so for a logarithm of 2, you put this. Great job. For a logarithm of 7, you put this. Great job. For this right here, you put 0.4421. Great job. Now here's the mistake. And actually, Taryn, I could have taken off 2 mistakes for this. I just now noticed that, which is fine. But the parentheses could have been a mistake. And your other mistake is this here. You just crossed these off and didn't put anything here. Hold on a second, okay? I've told you when a base matches a base, the entire logarithm equals the exponent, and there's no exponent here you can see, so it's understood to be a 1, b to the 1 power. So logarithm base b of b equals 1. So you should have plus 1 here. And then from there, Taryn, it's obviously just a calculator problem. Okay? And then lastly, Taryn, you missed number 9. And all that you did wrong, I'm pretty sure. I checked your work. Look at this. This is your x, this is your y. But look what you did. For the y, you put a 3, which is your x. Okay? And for the x up here, you put a 5, which is your y. I checked your work from there. All of your work was great. It was fine. Okay? But for the 3 right here, you should have had a 5. And for the 5 right there, you should have had a 3. Other than that, everything was fine. Okay? So, that's it, guys. That's all for today, students. Really proud of you guys. You all did really well on this test. Please get to work on your review video. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.